Hello lovely people, in today's video it's finally happening, an all matte makeup look. I promised you guys in my previous video that I'm gonna be doing an all matte makeup look after all of those super shimmery ones, and here we are. I decided to play a little bit with colors today. It's nothing like super colorful, but I wanted it to be like a little bit more pinkish, purplish, and this is what I came up with. Also, no winged eyeliner. Everything is super soft and blended, and I like it. I like this look a lot. It's just a very nice matte glam makeup look, and I hope you guys like it. So without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Let's go. Okay, alright, okay. I'm gonna start off with the face mask. I've been really loving this Maskology's Rose Glowing Potion Facial Hydrogel Sheet Mask. I've been testing them out for probably a few weeks now, and I really like wearing them before applying my makeup. They make my skin look very glowy, very hydrated, and I feel like my makeup sits so much better on my skin. Okay, and I'm gonna let that sit on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want to talk too much because it's kind of slipping off, but just a quick story. One day I was getting ready and my boyfriend was asleep. He woke up and he saw me with this mask. He was not expecting to see this and he was like, oh my god, I thought you burned your face. It took him a while to figure out that I had a mask on, but he thought that I burned my face, like my entire face. It was funny, not for him. He almost had a heart attack. Like honestly, it must have been really scary to see me like that. But it was funny for me. I laughed. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. See you guys in a while. Okay, here we go. Wow. Bye. And now I usually let whatever I have on my face to kind of absorb into my skin. I just give it a few minutes. For primer, I'll use this one here by Milk. It's their Hydro Grip Primer. Look how sticky it is. Can you guys tell? I know some of you are freaking out now, like, what are you putting on your face? Glue? No, that's actually an amazing primer. Alright, and for foundation, Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, I'm mixing the shade 140 with the shade 220. Look at all of those flyaways. Oh, let me try putting this on. Okay, it does something. It looks cute. Okay, I added a second layer of that foundation in the areas where I had some blemishes and some redness. And now that we're done with our base, let's go ahead and fix these brows. Let's take care of them because I need to pluck them, I need to trim them. They're so out of shape for this video. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm gonna take care of them now. I'm gonna make them look more like brows with these two Sigma brow pomades. This is in the shade medium and this is in the shade light. I'm gonna use the medium just in the bottom part of my brows, and then for the rest, I'm gonna use the shade light. Is it raining outside? Oh my god! It's raining outside! Why? That's so bad. I mean, it's not bad that it's raining. It's good. It's good. But it's not good. Because yesterday I cleaned all the windows in the house and they're gonna look so dirty after the rain. Okay, I'm just a tiny little bit sad now. Do you guys feel my pain for my windows? I'm gonna set my brow hairs in place with some clear brow gel. This one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Talking about Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm taking her eyeshadow primer and I'm gonna use it to clean my brows and also bring it all the way down to my lash line and use it as a base for my eyeshadows. And I'm gonna quickly set it with some face powder. Alright, for the eye look today, we're doing an all matte eye look. Can you guys believe that? I'm like, whoop! I'm gonna really miss my shimmers today. But yeah, for today's look, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. This is an amazing palette, you guys. It has beautiful matte shades, beautiful shimmers, which I won't be using today. But yeah, just being a little bit dramatic. I already started working on this eye. I wanted to see how the look would come out. I wanted to see if I like it or not, but I like it. I like it a lot. So let me show you. So let me show you how I did that. I'm gonna start off by taking the shade Come and Get It, and I'm placing that in my crease. Next up, I'm switching to a smaller brush. This is the Nabla Pointed Crease Brush, and I'm gonna take the color code Pinned Down. And this is going in the outer corner of my eye, right here. Next up, I'm gonna add some darkness and depth with this darker brown shade here. I'm placing it again in the outer corner, creating that V shape here. See? Now I'm going back to that first big blending brush that I used. It's the Nabla Precision Soft Crease, and I'm gonna take that first eyeshadow that I used. Ooh! My camera is going crazy with the focus. Okay, I'm taking this nice first color that I used in my crease. So I'm blending out that darker shade that I just added. Okay, going back and forth. Okay, so this is probably the most difficult part of this whole look. You want to be a little bit more precise. You want to take your time with this, because if you're a little bit more messy or you're trying to rush through it, you may end up with panda eyes. Okay, and you don't want that. I'm taking this small Precision Firm blender brush by Sigma. It's their E42, and I'm gonna dip it in that dark brown shade, but I also take some of the black one as well. So I'm mixing those two colors on that brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna place that in the outer corner of my eye. How I created that V shape here, you know, this V shape, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I won't bring that color in my crease. I'm kind of creating a diagonal line here. Okay, but I want it to be very smoky, very blended. And I'm switching to even tinier brush. This is the Nabla Lash Line Smudger brush. And I'm gonna take again a mixture of these two colors. And I'm placing that very closely to my lash line. Saturating most of those eyeshadows as closely to my lash line as possible. And then I'm taking the brush, I'm wiping it off on a clean tissue, making sure that I have as little as possible eyeshadow left in it. And then I'm gonna use it to diffuse that harsh line here. So I'm kind of creating like a eyeliner, but I want it to be nice and smoky. I want everything to look as soft as possible, as smoky as possible. So I'm getting rid of any crisp lines there. Now you don't need to do all of those like smoky eyeliner thing. If you want, you can just do a regular winged eyeliner. But I thought that since this look is so soft, I didn't want it to do a crisp, sharp eyeliner. I just wanted everything to look soft and blurred. I don't know if blurred is the correct word, but you get the idea. I like that this palette has such a huge mirror. Hello. Hi. So now I'm moving on to curling my lashes. I'm gonna add some lash glue. Ooh, look at that bubble of lash glue. So I'm gonna add, oh, another one. Oh, third one. What's going on? Okay, so I'm gonna add some lash glue on my fauces so that it can get tacky while I'm applying some mascara on my lashes. Look at that packaging. This is a mascara by Sephora. It's their outrageous, oversized lashes mascara. So I'm gonna coat my lashes with it. I actually like this mascara. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging. I think it's a little bit more bulky. It's like it's too big for mascara. They could definitely come up with something smaller. This takes a little bit too much space. It's not practical. It's cool, it looks really cool, but it's not practical. But I actually like the wand. It separated and coated my lashes very evenly. So moving on to some falsies, I'm using a pair by House of Lashes. This is the style Allura Light, and oh my god, I love this pair of lashes. I'm gonna finish up this look by applying some eyeshadows along my lower lashes. I'm gonna take that shade called Come and Get It, and I'm smudging that on my lower lashes. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and blend it out. I'm also going to take a little bit of this darker brown shade and I'm gonna apply it in the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm gonna set my face with some loose powder. This one is by Laura Mercier. You guys, this Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, so good. I've been using it a lot lately. Basically for contouring, I've been using two products lately. The one is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette and this Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. They are both so good. I know that this is a highlighting brush, but I'm gonna use it for contouring today. There are no rules when it comes to brushes. If you find that a highlighter brush works great for applying contour, use it for contour. Now I won't be using any highlighter today since we're doing an all matte look, but I'm gonna use a blush with slight sheen. I like applying this blush with this particular blush brush. I just like that this brush doesn't grab a lot of product and I can like slowly build up the intensity of my blush. It's very easy to apply blushes with brushes like this one. And see, it made my skin look a little bit more glowy, but it's a very natural kind of glow. It looks very natural. Hey! My bangs are back. Put some earrings on, fixed a little bit my hair, and I'm gonna finish up this look with some lipstick. My lips are a little bit dry now, so I don't think that it's a good idea to wear a super matte lipstick, but I'm gonna wear something that has more satin finish. I love these lipsticks by Huda Beauty. They're not exactly matte, they have a little bit more satin finish, so if your lips are getting dry from time to time but you still want to wear something matte, definitely recommend you those. They're so pigmented. That lipstick has such a beautiful rich color, super pigmented, and I also like the finish. It's not that super matte, almost uncomfortable matte finish, nothing like that. It has more satin finish, as I already said, and it feels amazing on the lips. You're still wearing something that it's not glossy but also not super matte. It's the perfect balance between matte and glossy, and I love these lipsticks. Alright, gonna finish up this look with some setting spray. And this is our completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I wanted to use some color today. Like, I didn't want to create just a brown makeup look. I wanted to add some colors. So I went for something more pinkish, more purplish, as I also said in the intro. But yeah, oh my god, I love this look. I can't believe I'm not wearing any highlighter. Can you guys believe that? I'm a highlighter girl. I want to be glowing. I want to be shining. And today I'm not wearing any, but you can't tell because that blush did a pretty good job. I'm actually wearing this blush on my everyday basis. Every time that I'm doing more everyday kind of looks, I'm wearing this blush. It sits so beautifully on the skin, and that color is, I feel like it's so suitable for me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell button which is right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, all of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!